Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. The first thing, we need to find the value of the graph in here. So let's say I will select 2 points in here and here. So for this one, that is about number 1, 0. This one, that is about 0, negative number 2. The first thing, we know that this one, that is about the light. And we have this formula in here. So we can find about m. And that is about the slope. So we have delta y over delta x. So for this one, we have y number 2 minus y number 1 divided by s number 2 minus s number 1. So y number 2, we have number 0 minus negative number 2 over number 1 minus number 0. And we have number 2. So we put number 2 go in here. Now I select 1 point. So we put number 0 go in here. And negative number 2 go in here. And this one, we have b equals to negative number 2. And you got about y equals to 2x minus number 2. Now, the next one, we need to draw about the inverse function of this one. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left, and then we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we simplify. We have 1 over 2y plus number 1. And this one, we have the inverse function in here. That is about 1 over 2s plus 1. Now, we need to graph about this one. So, I select about s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So that is 1 point in here. Then I select about s equals to number 2. So when we calculate, you got number 3. Oh, sorry, number 2. So because 1 over 2 multiplied by number 2, we have 1 plus 1. So that should be this location in here. And we connect 2 points. And this is about the graph of this one. Now let's go to this one. We know that we have the formula in here. And this one, that is about 1 over first derivative of this one at s equals to b. So this one, we have negative number 2. So that means we have y equals to negative number 2 for this function in here. So we put negative number 2 go in here. And then we can find the value of s. So this one, we put negative number 2 equals to 2s minus number 2. We cancel negative number 2 for the both sides. So you got 0 equals to 2s. So we have s equals to number 0. So that means this one, if we apply the formula, we have negative number 2 in here. That means this one, we have number 0. So first derivative of this one, we have number 2. So that means we put number 2 go in here. And this is the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.